how to claim your Honeyshots NFT from the Vlaunch platform all the way to your Metamask wallet. Let's not waste more of your time and dive directly into it. Step number 1 is to pause this video and smash the like button to a new all-time high. Exactly like Chris is always mentioning it in his video. But guys, this helps the channel a lot. So if you can, it only takes you a minute, not even a minute from your whole day, just to smash the like button, put a really nice comment in the comment section, and share this video to as much as potential new warriors out there. How bigger this channel will get, how more new warriors members we will attract, and that means how bigger the Vlaunch platform eventually will become. And next to that, when you are able to help out also financially, I will put here my donation link. So this is my wallet. It's always beneath my videos. You can use it. It's standing there in order for you to support this channel. So if it only takes you a minute of your day, your donation could mean so much for the channel. I could use the money to improve my video content, to be even more motivated than I already am. And of course, for future ideas to materialize. So thank you very much for all your support, every single like, every single comment, and every single subscriber, and next to that, every single share. So thank you so much, and let's go into the next step. The first step is to go to dashboard. When you click here on dashboard, then you will find here beneath all my projects. That is the first thing you will need to do. Probably because you received this Honeyshots NFT, you will need to click here on the right, go further till you find it. And here you will see Honeyshots by Fancy Bears. The only thing you will need to do before we do that even is make sure to connect your Metamask wallet with the Vlaunch platform, and also on the Metamask wallet, make sure that you are here connected to the Binance Smart Chain. So you're not on the Ethereum mainnet, but you're actually changing that to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay? So let's go back to the Vlaunch platform. And so then the next step will be you click here by Manage Allocations. Now, by Manage Allocations, you will see the Honeyshots by Fancy Bear logo, and beneath that you will see the total tokens that you have received. In my case, that is 1. Tokens for claim 1, and tokens claimable is 1. The next step is a very easy step. You just click here on the green button, Claim Tokens. Once you click on Claim Tokens, your Metamask wallet will open, and then you will see what is the fees in order to accept this payment, to accept this NFT. If you're okay with the gas fees for the minute, for me that is 0.0012 BNB. And so you click on Confirm, on the blue button, Confirm. And right now, we need to wait a small moment, and let's see what will happen directly, because there is a next step in order to see it. And yes, as you can see, success token claimed successfully. So perfect, we have claimed it. As you can see here, tokens for sale 0, tokens claimable 0, total tokens is still standing at 1. And then here beneath, you can see that the transaction is done the 24th of August on 1916 Turkish time. So perfect. Next to that, you will now go into your Metamask wallet. That is the first thing. And as you are on the Binance Smart Chain, scroll down, completely down. If your Metamask wallet is not completely big, you just have the 3 dots here. If you click on Metamask, you can visit 3 dots, you will find extend view, and you can just make your view bigger. So here completely down, scroll completely down, and then here you will find import tokens. One single click on import tokens, and then it will ask you for the token contract address, token symbol, and token decimals. So we will now add this 3. I will also put the official token contract address in description here below this video. So if you don't have it, just copy it from my video, the easiest way, or you go to Fancy Bears, also one of the ways, by Fancy Bears, and one of their messages is actually including the token contract. So what we will now do is copy this token contract, copy that, go back to your Metamask wallet, and right now here we will paste it. Once we paste it, you will immediately see the token symbol HS. But here down you will find nothing. But you will need to add here a 0. So not 1, but a 0 in order to see your NFT number correctly. You will need to add the 0 token decimal. Then you will click here at add custom token. One single click on this blue button, and now you will see that my balance, so it immediately saw that I already have 1 NFT, so it's in my wallet, and right now I will be able to view it. Right now, downstairs, import tokens, the blue button, and voila, felicitations. We have right now, you have right now been able to see you have received your NFT into your Metamask wallet. As you can see, the steps are quite forward. Thank you so much for your donation. Thank you so much to smash the like button, and thank you so much to put a comment here below in the section. I will take the time to read your comment, and I will also answer your comment. I don't have anyone answering the comments for me. I am doing it personally. And so for every single person that leaves a comment, you will have me, the one that actually will respond to you directly. Next to that, I will also make a video about how you can claim how you can attend the raffle, because as you know, this NFT is not like a normal NFT. We are able to actually claim our shots, and next to claim our shots, in other words, drink the shots, and we would get maybe a more valuable NFT or maybe a less valuable NFT. So I will show you how to attend that, how to anticipate on that too. And next to that also, I will show you how you can list it on the OpenSea platform as well on the Binance NFT platform. Thank you so much to watch my video, and make sure to be subscribed and open the bell notifications to not miss out on my next video. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.